Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of enrolling students. You can see in your dashboard, we've set up the account, we've enrolled, we've added teachers, we've created classes, we've added subjects, and now we want to enroll students. So just click on add and you can see the options we have here. We've got enroll a student, which is the manual enrollment process, but we've got bulk enroll students as well. And this is what this video is going to focus on. It's because we want to make our lives easy, right? We want to upload like 1,000 students at once. We want to upload like 200, 10,000 students at once. Okay, so what you have to do is to download the Excel template. You can see here, and you look through the templates, you fill the template, and then the next thing is to import or upload that filled template. Okay, and that template, that spreadsheet will contain all the students and all their information, and then you upload. It's just as simple as that, but I'm going to take you through the process now so you see exactly how it works. So first step, download the Excel template. So you click on download. Very simple. It downloads and then you save. Okay, that's the first step. Now I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, and this is it here. Okay, so this is what the template looks like. Look at all the columns. Father's full name. For every student, you have to supply, you have to provide the information of the parents or guardian. Okay, so you've got the father's full name, email, phone, the mother's full name, email, phone, then the student's information, the student's email, their surname, their first name, other names, gender, reg number, nationality, date of birth, blood group, all the information that constitutes the details of the student has to be provided. And when you have done that, that shows that for each row, you have the details of a single student. So if you have like 1,000 students, you just fill it up here, okay? Now I'm going to show you a template that has been filled already. So you see exactly how the details would be. So right here, and we're just going to open and we'll upload. So let me just show you an example. Let's go with just one student, right? Just one student. Let's go with that. Beautiful. How many students we have? We have about 37 students. Okay. You can see the father's full name, the father's email, the father's phone, the mother's name, email, and all of that. You see? You can see all the details. Look at the reg number, the nationality. These are all the details, okay? Beautiful. So what do we do now that we have the spreadsheet and all the details filled? The next thing is to upload that spreadsheet. So you click on import students and then you select the class. That class is JS1. Okay. You select the class arm A. And then you select the academic session, the current one, which is 2025-2026. And then now about the default password. This is going to be the default password for every student. So I suggest that you set a very simple password so that everyone can log in with that password and then eventually change it to whatever they want. Okay, so just a very simple password. Okay, and now we can select the spreadsheet file. So let's click on select, and I have it somewhere here. So let me just search. So let me search. Okay, this is it. Nice. And then I click on this, and then I can either go to the class list after importing or remain on this page after importing. So, but I want to go to the class list so you get to see it. And then you click on import. Beautiful. 37 students imported and enrolled successfully. And let me tell you, not just that you created 37 students, you also created 37 entries for parents, father, mother, or guardian. Okay. Now, this is JS1 class. We've got 37 students in total, 18 girls and 19 boys, and 0 active, 37 deactivated. Look at all the students right here. Isn't that just simple and straightforward? Yes, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you, and see you on the next one.